guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have got an unboxing for you and it is a Glossybox. However, it's not the normal Glossybox. This is a Black Friday special edition Glossybox. It is 10 products for £10 if you're a subscriber, 15 if you're not. It goes on sale on Friday the 29th of November at 7 AM. I'm very excited to open it. Glossybox do send me these in PR, which is super lovely of them because they are awesome and I'm very thankful. But yeah, we're gonna open it. It's pretty and it's heavy. Look at that. That is gorgeous. If you don't know, Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription box. I will link everything down below for you guys, but it is a beauty box and you usually get 5 products in it. Quite often they have full-size products, and they do limited edition, sort of special edition ones as well. So we've got this one, which is the Black Friday special edition. My camera doesn't want to focus. There we go. Normally the boxes are pink with black lettering, but this one obviously is the Black Friday box, which I think is awesome. So let's just jump in because I want to see it. So Black Friday. Oh, something smells lovely. So it's like this. This is what we've got. It looks chock-a-block full. Let's have a little look and see what it says on here. So congratulations, you're one of the lucky few to have snatched up our Black Friday limited edition Glossybox filled to the brim with 10 makeup, skincare, haircare and body care products. That was an absolute steal. Let's celebrate with a pamper session. So let's just grab the first thing, and it is a Vita Masks Diamond Gold Dust Sheet Mask made with real gold dust extract, a luxurious moisturising Korean face mask with gold dust, diamond powder and pearl extract, and it's a brightening mask, which sounds lovely. I love a sheet mask. I'm a little bit addicted to them, so that looks really nice. This is full size and it's worth £5.99. So I will put at the end how much the box is worth on the end of the screen, but that's £5.99. Next up we've got something by Naughty, which is one of my favourite hair care brands, and it is a intensive hair care leave-in conditioner, which looks really nice. I had their shampoo and conditioner last year and I absolutely loved them. So this is a deluxe mini and this is worth £2.59. Full size is £6.99. Intensive leave-in conditioner, 97% natural leave-in conditioner will revive your dry, frizzy, damaged locks, blending a sweet almond extract with nourishing argan oil. It rebalances your hair's moisture levels while protecting and strengthening the locks. And then just says how to put it on. We all know how to do leave-in conditioner, so that is that, which is lovely. It's a nice little travel size, but you'll probably get, I've got quite long hair and I think I'll probably get 2 maybe 3 goes out of that, so it's not too bad. Next up we've got something by Super Duper, which is a hand cream. I feel like I've had this before, or maybe I've had a body cream. I've definitely had something similar to this from this brand. This is full size. This is £6.50. I really like their packaging. I think it's really pretty, really lovely. And this is Super Duper and it's super light shea butter hand cream, and it says keep your hands feeling soft, soothed and nourished despite the cold weather thanks to this moisturising hand cream. 98% natural ingredients and combines shea butter, macadamia oil, hydrating coconut water and aloe vera, as well as soothing kukui oil. Massage a pea-sized amount into your hands every day. £6.50. So that's nice. Oh, it smells nice. So that's that. What's next? I've got a beauty egg. Unicorn Cosmetics. And it looks like a beauty blender, but it's called a beauty egg. I'm going to get out and see how squishy it is in a minute. Where are you? This is full size, worth £4.99. The beauty sponge will help you create a flawless makeup finish. You can either dampen the sponge, then use the flat edge to apply foundation and the round end to blend it, or keep the sponge dry and use it to pat on your setting powder. So let's have a little look. It's a nice shape. It's got the flat edge for concealer and then it's got a flat bottom as well, which is nice. It is different to a beauty blender. Like beauty blender is like the teardrop, so you can sort of see this one's got this flat edge and then that flat edge, and the beauty blender is just, there's no flat edges on it, and this is a bit bigger. It'd be interesting to see how much this grows. It's very soft, similar sort of softness to a beauty blender, which is nice. Back in there, you little egg. What are you? Oh, I've had this before. Is this a conditioner? Oh, it's a condition mask. I've had this before. It's by Novex. This is Deluxe Mini, worth £2.20. Full size is £8.90. And I've used this before and I absolutely loved it. Really, really lovely hair mask. Say goodbye to frizz, tangles and split ends thanks to this deeply conditioning hair mask enriched with babao oil. Naturally hydrating ingredient that is full of nutrients. It will leave you with smooth, healthy and shiny looking hair. Apply to clean, damp hair and leave for 2 to 10 minutes. So I'm very excited for this. Oh, it smells so good. I remember I had this, I haven't had it for maybe, I had it in my old house and I've been in this house for like over a year now, so I haven't had it for a while, but it was really, really lovely and I definitely like that. Next up, we've got a Imperial Leather Foam Burst Luxury Gel to Foam Body Wash. This looks like a mini or a deluxe mini maybe. Deluxe mini, worth £2, full size is £5. Pampering lychee and lotus flower, blending lychee, lotus flower. This body wash is a treat for both your skin and your senses. Rich and creamy formula will create 10 times more foam than regular shower gels, leaving you with silky soft skin that delivers 3-day long moisturisation. No moisturisation afterwards needed, so that's nice. I love these little ones. They're quite handy for when we go and stay at my mother-in-law's and stuff. I like to take little ones like this in my little, just got back from my mother-in-law's actually, my little travel vanity bag. So that's quite nice. What are you? Carmex Pouty Pink Sheer Tint Hydrating Lip Tint. Ooh, this is full size, worth £4.95. And the latest addition to Carmex's collection of lip balms. These lip tints are formulated with natural moisturising ingredients that smooth and hydrate your lips. They work to plump and revitalise your palette while adding a touch of colour. Let's have a look. There's either mauved up or pouty pink, so I'm going to open it and have a little go. Don't know why I went Cockney then. No idea. Not Cockney, I'm from Norfolk. Get out. Ooh, oh, it's bright. It looks very bright. Where is the mirror? Right here. It looks very bright. It smells like normal Carmex, so it smells lovely. And it is just like a sheer... that's nice. I like it. A nice natural kind of pinky. It does look very bright in the tube, but it's not. It doesn't go at all with my hair. So the only thing with having dyed red hair is you're limited to what lipsticks you wear because everything looks a bit odd. Excuse me. Next up, oh, I've had one of these before. I might have even still got this. This is Lacquer & Co. and it's Cloud Lips in Daydream. I don't know what colour I had before. It's a lipstick. Oh, I did not have this colour before. I had like a really pale nudie colour, but this one needs to get right on my face right now. Where is baby white? Where is baby white? I haven't got baby white. So I'm too excited. I haven't even shown you what it is. It's a lipstick. Beautiful rose gold packaging. Look at the colour. Oh, it's very dark. Very, very dark. Oh, it's plummy. It's plummy. So what does it say about this? I got all excited. This is £14. It's infused with avocado oil and it'll keep your lips hydrated. I'm putting this one on. My lips are so chapped though, so please don't blame the lipstick for my chapped lips because they're already chapped. Oh my god, I love the colour. Oh, see again, I just don't like any lipsticks with this hair colour. I'm dyeing my hair dark again. It's happening. But that is a beautiful colour. Not on my chapped lips, but it is a beautiful colour. Very excited for that. Next up, second to last thing, we've got an Effect Transparent Loose Rice Powder. It's telling me Irish chicken nuggets already. Effect transparent loose powder with matte effect. I don't use loose powder, so this will be going into my giveaway, which is happening in the next couple of days. This is full size, definitely. This is massive. This is worth £9.40. Combining mica and rice starch, this setting powder will give your makeup a professional looking matte finish. After applying a base of foundation and concealer, use a large fluffy brush to buff it on. So yeah, that's a nice thing. I'm just not going to use it. And then the last item is a huge bronzer. Talc free, huge bronzer. It's a Makeup Academy, or as my mum calls them, MUA. I was like, Makeup Academy, mum. Bronze Perfection Shimmer Sahara Sunlight. Fight the winter blues and create a summer-worthy sun-kissed glow thanks to the highly pigmented bronzing powder. And then just obviously sweep it everywhere. This is full size, £4. Let's have a look and see what the colour is like. I like quite cool toned bronzers. I don't know what this is going to be like. Might be okay. And then they've got the gold. Oh, the gold shimmer. Oh, look, they're going to be really pretty mixed together. So this is the gold shimmer, and then this is the bronzer. The gold's around here. Is the gold all the way through? No, I think the gold's just on the top. So it is a pretty colour. It might be okay. Again, probably not with my red hair, but yeah, that's a really nice big bronzer. I have serious beef with bronzers when they come in there this big, because my bronzer brush is massive, and it's like, how does that work? I need a big pan to put my big brush in for my big face. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's all 10 things. That was the box. I'm very happy with that. It says, this is a thing about a glossy credit. It says, from the 9th of December onwards, don't forget to log into your Glossybox account and fill in your Black Friday limited edition survey. You will earn glossy credit, which you can spend on Look Fantastic and limited editions. So yeah, awesome sauce. Thank you very much to Glossybox for sending this to me. It's available from the 29th of this Friday, and it is £10 for subscribers and £15 for non-subscribers, from 7 AM plus postage. Well, that on its own is £9.40. So you essentially, you pay for this and you get all that for free. So, and all that for free. So I think that's awesome. If you like these videos, please do give this one a great big fat thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.